फिशिंग सीजन स्टार्ट जाता फ्रॉम 1st ऑगस्ट आनी ते पासत खुबशी आमची तयारी आसता आनी पर्टिक्युलरली कोवीड सिच्युएशनाक लागून देर हॅज टू बी प्रॉपर मॉनिटरींग ऑफ द जेटीज बिकॉज देर शुड नॉट बी एनी chaos and the disturbance to the while carrying out the trade. So ते पासत आमी CMचे कन्सेंट घेतला की हाव टू मॅनेज द जेटीज आनी सीएमान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला जे आमी SOP तयार करतले आमचे डिपार्टमेंट वायज जेटीचेर ताका आमकां पुलिसांचो आदार जाय ताका मॅन पावर जाय ते पासून हांव सीएमाक मेळ्ळा आनी CM हॅज एश्युर्ड दॅट ही वील प्रोवायड मॅन पावर लायक पुलीस.
कितले पुलीस आहे एका जेटीच्या
डिपेंड आमकां आमी तशें सांगलां सीएमाक की आमकां जाय तितलो आमी टायम टू टायम सांगतले but so that minimum आमी प्रपोज केल्ले आसा एक जेटीचेर बट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाव इट कम्स द एक्टिविटीज हे एक आमचें डिसिजन जालां. आनी हेर जे रेजिस्ट्रेशन एक सब्जेक्ट आसलो रेजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ट्रेडर्स तुमी खूब पाटीन जाताले रेजिस्ट्रेशन तेंचे सजेशन आहा नॉट टू रेजिस्टर तेंचे सजेशन आहा टू रेड्यूस द रेट बट रेजिस्ट्रेशन आमचे कंपल्सरी जातलें सगळें कित्याक
सो दे हॅव टू रेजिस्टर 200 रुपीज.
No, forget about the rate. As far as registration is concerned, we need to know who are doing the trade of fish. Fish trading कौन करता? Right from the traditional to the export. That will remain same. Government will not change as far as registration of vendors to the traders.
No, but traditional fishermen are charges gone up. Is it the right thing, sir?
No. We will decide about the charges later, but we want response from them for registration. If they don't agree for registration because of the charges, then we will see. But first they have to come forward to register.
No, is there any...
Sir, what about the worker? What about the worker?
So lots of laborers are not there, no? So laborers. Yes, that is the difficulty faced by the fishing community or the trawler owners because laborers by itself may delay to come to Goa because of the various SOPs. So जी जबाबदारी प्रत्येक ट्रॉलर ओनराची आसतली when they come to the state they have to follow the procedure adopted by the state of Goa.
But fishing starting season extend जातलो it will remain the same.
There is no question of extending or reducing now because it is an uniform ban and uniform lifting of ban. It is for the entire western coast. Goa comes under west coast. The government of Goa will not take a decision to extend the ban. It is a uniform ban but depends on the labor coming of labor because most of the laborers are come from outside. भायल्यान येता ते लेबरांचेर आसात.
So but the president of Passengers Association ताणे म्हटला की we might go delay till September. धाकटे बोटी व्हडल्यो बोटी आमी सप्टेंबर
आमकां ऑफिशियली कांय कॉल तेमी तुका म्हण जातलें बट ऑफिशियली इट हॅज टू रीच टू द डिपार्टमेंट.
सर रिगार्डिंग LED फिशिंगाचेर कितें डिस्कशन जालें?
LED फिशिंगाचेर वी विल एडॉप्ट a technology which we are exploring to identify those who are using to a certain nautical miles. कित्याक आमकां फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान up to 12 nautical miles देखून आमकां कंट्रोल आहा beyond that coast guard. So we are adopting a technology in order to identify those who are using LED.
सर पण हेचेर एक्शन जाता की लास्ट टाइम आमी पळयलां की आमच्या आमदाराचेर एक्शन जाता पूण भायल्याच्या हेचेर कोणाचेर एक्शन जायना आमच्या गोंयांत.
Again I am repeating, we are here to take action on this. We are not here to...
So this year will the people will get a cheaper rate for the fish?
For that we have invited a tender from the traders to buy fish in bulk. And ते कितें आसता की तेंची 10% catch which goans consume ती तांकां दिवपाक पडटली आमकां for which they have registered. जमिला आमचे सुमार 20 सुमार कितले रेजिस्ट्रेशन येयला ते आमचे around 20 सुमार registered जाल्ले. That is a good sign that we can at least control the fish price.
So तितूंतल्यान चीप मेळटलें न्हू घरा सवाय नुस्तें
न्हू आमकां कळटलें कित्याक इट्स ऑल डिमांड एंड सप्लाय जितले ताका मेळटा तितले ते प्रोपोर्शनली हिंगा सप्लाय जाता.
आनी एक विशय म्हणटा पळय आतां जे लेबरर्स येता पळय तेंचेर एज फार एज कोवीड सिच्युएशन इज तेंचेर चॅक कशें आसतलें?
Okay, they have to follow the procedure adopted by the state, right from the border.
कुठे सगळे एक बोटीचेर कितले जाण असले ट्रॅव्हलर्स सो तेंचेर
Going there to laborers coming from outside has to follow the procedure at the border itself.
सर 10% कॅश तुमकां दिवपाक जाय फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाक.
आता एक ट्रॉलर येयलो डॉक्यार येयलो आमचो ऑफिसर आसतलो आनी तो ट्रेडर आसतलो ऑथरायज ट्रेडर्स 10% of the catch which goans comes in again I'm telling you कित्याक पोटार नुस्तें पडटे पळय गोंयकार जे ताल्ले खाता गोंयकार जे बांगडे खाता पॉपलेटां खाता ते 10% तेंचे तो ट्रेडर घेता जाल्यार ताका दिवपाक तो ट्रेडर घेवपी ना जाल्यार दे आर फ्री टू
But this would be a strict rule. They have to comply.
complain. There is a demand for that. There is a demand for that.
Thank you.